Hello guys, welcome to 9321 demo. Right now, let's go to the GitHub website to have a look at our repository. So the main URL for our repository is this page. All the files to do with the running of our web app is located within the final folders. I have got a local copy right here. So as you can see, all the directory has been set correctly. Now it's time to run the web app. Make sure you open the app.py file. Select all the code and run. Then within the Python console, you will be able to see that it's running on http://localhost 5000. So we open a new web page, localhost 5000. Once you have done that, go back to the folder, open the template, then click intro. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. So before you actually start using this app, you need to click register. Okay, so input any username. So my name is John. Oh no, Kirill, or whatever. Password, Kirill, register. Okay, it says password or username already exists. Okay, so now let's just go back. Let's open the intro page again, but this time we're gonna sign in, right? Sign in using Kirill. Login. It's absolutely awesome here. So now it's time to input any comment. So let's say the movie was absolutely fantastic. Yeah, see? You got a very nice and wide smile indicating the mood of that particular review is positive. Now let's go back and input a negative review. The movie was horrible. You got a big cry face indicating, oh yeah, obviously that was a very negative comment. Okay guys, that's all for today's demo. Thanks for watching.